great and staying safe at home. This is Darshana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm here with another haul video, and this is going to be a huge mega main haul. So basically I'm going to share all those items that I've purchased from shopping apps like Meesho, Purple.com, Amazon, and also I'm going to share all my PR packages that I've received in this May month. So yeah, here we go, and let's just get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm going to start with the items that I have purchased, and I'm going to start with this top that I'm wearing right now. So this is from Clovia. I've already mentioned about this in my last haul video. That was a Clovia haul video, and so I'm not going to talk about the Clovia products again. And so I've dropped the link of the Clovia haul video below in the description box. So if you guys are interested, then you can surely check it out. So I'm going to start with the makeup products. I have ordered only 2 makeup products, that too from Purple.com. So the first product that I've ordered is these lashes. So this is Curve Be Beautiful Inside Out eyelash. This is in the Style Party, and I have ordered these 2 eyelashes. Both of these are in the Style Party. So Purple.com पे ऑफर था and buy one get one free में मिल रहा था. So I was getting one for 149 and I was getting one for free. So basically I got both of these eyelashes just for 149 rupees, which was such a great deal. And to be honest, these lashes are really amazing. At this point I'm obsessed with these lashes because I have already used these lashes 4 to 5 times and they are still the same. I absolutely love these lashes, and the thing that I have to say about these lashes are the band. The band of this is very thin. It's very thin. It just looks like natural lashes. I absolutely love both of these lashes. Next product is going to be from NYBay, and this is a concealer. This is NYBay HD Spotless Liquid Concealer, and if you guys are watching me from starting, you might know that I absolutely love this concealer. This was my first ever concealer. I was a beginner. I just began my YouTube channel. I have purchased this concealer and I just love this concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers, and yeah, this time the shade that I got is like, I feel so sad that how I can get a strong shade. So if you can see, this just matches my skin tone. This is not at all my shade. This is a one shade darker than my real skin tone. So how this can work as a concealer for me? So I feel very sad that I picked up a wrong shade. पता नहीं, मैंने जो लास्ट शेड जो मैंने पहली बार पिक किया था, मैंने वही वाला पिक किया था, बट पता नहीं कैसे ये हो गया. सो या मेरी ही गलती है, मैंने कुछ कन्फ्यूजन में आके कोई दूसरा शेड ऑर्डर कर दिया. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गोना यूज दिस. आई एम गोना वॉच some YouTube videos and I'm gonna search like how you can use one shade darker concealers on you. So yeah, this is the next product. So this is all the makeup that I got. If you have watched my last lockdown makeup videos, makeup haul videos, मैंने उसमें इतना सब कुछ सामान मंगाया था because मैंने लॉकडाउन में ही स्टार्ट किया था सब कुछ, and मैंने उसी टाइम सब सामान मंगा लिया था. एंड इस टाइम सिर्फ मेरे पास 3 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, वो भी one is buy one get one free and the one is a wrong shade. So yeah, this is the all makeup that I got. and मेरे haul videos ज़्यादातर makeup से ही भरे होते थे, मतलब mostly मेरे से makeup होता था, but this time only 3 products for makeup. So yeah, I'm really glad that I'm not investing my money on makeup now because I already own so much. Like जितना भी है मेरे पास, it's very much for me. Like मैं उतना भी ख़त्म नहीं कर पा रही हूँ अभी. So moving on to the next item, I got a top from Meesho, and this is how this top looks like. This is a neon color. I know most of you won't like the color of this one because कोई ऐसा कलर जल्दी पहनता नहीं है, but this looks really cool. Like I absolutely love this top, and sleeves are so good, and the material of this one is super amazing. So the MRP of this top was something like 600 or 700, and I got this for 330 rupees, which was such an amazing deal. And I absolutely love the quality of this one. And इसमें कई सारे शेड्स अवेलेबल थे. मुझे वाइट वाला बहुत पसंद आ रहा था, but this was something very different. I don't own any neon color tops, so yeah, I picked a neon color top this time, and I'm surely gonna pick up the white one too because I absolutely love that color. The image is so amazing of that one. So yeah, I'm gonna surely pick that white one too. The next item, this item is again from Meesho, and these are these sleepers. The MRP of these one was 700 rupees, but वहाँ पे Meesho पे 190 rupees का मिल रहा था. And मुझे image अच्छी लगी थी, so that's why I picked these sleepers. But I don't like these sleepers. It's like the worst product that I got ever. If you see like इससे काला काला जो है पेंट छूट रहा है. So whatsoever black you can see, this is all a paint. And जो seller है उसने अच्छे से उसको सुखाया नहीं है, उसने just पेंट किया है एंड सो पॉलीबैग में भर के बस भेज दिया. सो ये सब पूरा यहाँ से गीला गीला है एंड ब्लैक जो है इससे पेंट को छूट रहा है. मेरे हाथ में लग गया अभी इस टाइम पे. एंड सो लाइक इट्स सो चीप. आई डोंट, द क्वालिटी इज गुड बट दी पेंट जो सेलर ने जो कर दिया है एंड सुखाया नहीं है, दैट इज़ द वर्स्ट थिंग आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दीज स्लीपर्स. एंड इसी की वजह से मुझे ये स्लीपर्स पहनने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है. एंड आई थॉट ऑफ रिटर्निंग दिस बट अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड, because of the situation going on, I dropped the idea and I thought that I'm not gonna do like I'm not gonna return these or exchange these. So yeah, these are what these are. And yeah, these are the only things that I got from Meesho. And the next item that I got is from Flipkart, and this is a shampoo from Mamaearth. This is the first time I have purchased a Mamaearth shampoo because I have heard a lot of good things about this Mamaearth brand, and so I thought of trying this product. So if you can see the logo, इसमें elephant बना हुआ है and elephant जिसमें भी बना होता है या कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स बने होते हैं. So basically वो सारे products जो होते हैं बेबीज़ के लिए होते हैं. And I ordered this for my niece. So this is Mamaearth Gentle Cleansing Shampoo for Babies, free with coconut based cleansers, certified toxin free, dermatology tested, pH balance, 0 to 5 years, and the net quantity of this one is 200 ml. This is just for rupees 199. I don't remember the offer price of this one. And yeah, I'm just figuring out how is this product and is this working for my niece or not. So yeah, this is the next product. Now moving on to the next product. This product I got for myself, and this is a hair care product, and this is a product from Dove. This is Dove Intense Repair Conditioner for damaged frizzy hair. So in the month of April my hair became very frizzy and I was not able to manage my hair. So if you can see, I have a really long hair and I was not able to manage my hair. And that time I thought that maybe due to climate change, because summers आ रहे हैं, maybe उस वजह से मेरे हेयर फ्रिजी हो रहे हों. एंड दैट टाइम मुझे ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ा. बट मे के स्टार्टिंग में आई वॉज लाइक आई एम नॉट एबल टू मैनेज माई हेयर एंड मेरा इतना ज़्यादा ख़राब मूड हो गया था कि आई वॉज अबाउट टू चॉप माई हेयर. नीचे से मतलब पूरा मुझे काटने का मन कर रहा था. Then I ordered this shampoo because my sister was using this one product and she recommended me to try out this product. And so I just thought that let's give it a shot. इतने सारे hair care products try किए, so let's try out this one too. And it actually worked for my hair and I'm so happy that my hairs are again the same and I'm not stopped using this conditioner now. This is the second bottle that I have, and yeah, this is the conditioner that I have ordered and I'm using right now. So the MRP of this one was 190 rupees and I'm sure I got this for 160 or 150, something like that. And I purchased this product from Flipkart. So yeah, if you're finding a conditioner for yourself, I would highly recommend you guys to go for this one. And guys, I've dropped all the product links below in the description box for you guys. So if you want to check it out, you can definitely check it out. And yeah, let's continue with the haul. So the next product I got from Flipkart is this lotion. This is how this bottle looks like. This is a huge bottle as you can see, and this is Vico Turmeric Skin Cream in oil base, Ayurvedic medicine, moisturizing effect, all season skin nourishment for external use only. सब कुछ पढ़ डाला जो भी आगे लिखा हुआ था. And this comes in the pump form. काफ़ी अच्छा इसका फॉर्मूला है. दिस इज़ मेंट फॉर ऑल सीजन्स. आप इसको समर्स में चाहे यूज़ करो चाहे विंटर्स में यूज़ करो, ये हर सीजन में वर्क करता है. एंड या एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस moisturizer. And this is the third bottle. Last year I got the first bottle with my sister and we both were using that and we both loved that. And winters में again I purchased this moisturizer and जब वो ख़त्म हो गया then again I am using this again. I have purchased this again and yeah, this is one of the most amazing moisturizers I have ever tried, and this is the most affordable moisturizers. The MRP of this one is 240 rupees, but I'm sure I got this for under 200 rupees and I got this product from Flipkart. I would highly recommend you guys to try out this moisturizer. It's amazing. Moving on to the next product, I don't remember is this from Amazon or Flipkart. Will just provide the link below in the description box. जिस भी आपसे होगा. So this is a castor oil from this brand Wish Care. You Wish We Care. cold pressure 100% pure castor oil, premium quality, grows hair and restore skin. काफ़ी लंबा थोड़ा इंट्रो दे रखा है इसमें. एंड या दिस इज दी कैप. सो ये कॉम कैप के साथ आता है, विच इज़ अमेजिंग थिंग. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन प्रोडक्ट, सो आई एम नॉट यूज दैट मच बिकॉज दिस इज अ castor oil and you can't apply this directly. You have to mix this with some other oil. So I usually mix this with my coconut oil. And at the moment I can't tell if this is working for me or not, because अभी मई में ही ये प्रोडक्ट आया है. एंड हार्डली मैंने इसको 2-3 टाइम्स ही यूज़ किया होगा, उससे ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया है. बट या दिस इज द लास्ट हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट दैट आई गॉट. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द MRP दिस वन इज 400 रुपीज़, बट आई एम श्योर आई गॉट दिस ऑन अ ग्रेट डिस्काउंट, 250 या 200 something like that. So yeah, all right, moving on to the next item. This is going to be a home essential product, item, and this is kitchen item. So this is what I am talking about. So this is Tata Tea Agni Chai. So yeah, we got 2 पैकेट्स of these and एक पैकेट अभी यूज़ में है and ये अभी एक पैकेट खुला नहीं था. So yeah, the MRP of this one is 300. So हमने अलग अलग टाइम पे दोनों ही पैकेट्स को ऑर्डर किया. नेट वेट ऑफ दिस वन इज 1 kg and yeah, this is a huge packet and the MRP of this one is 300 rupees, but again ऑफर पे कुछ 200 तक तो मिल गया, 200 की रेंज में मिल गई होगी ये चाय पत्ती. So yeah, this is the last product and something that never happened actually happened with us. So actually जो इससे पहले जो पैकेट आया था वो सेम यही पैकेट था, बट देयर वाज अ बिग होल, लाइक देयर वाज अ ह्यूज होल, इतना बड़ा होल था. एंड सारी चाय पत्ती फ्लिपकार्ट के डब्बे में ही बह गई. सब पूरा पैकेट खाई तो सारी चाय पत्ती उसी में थी, सारा प्रोडक्ट सब माल सब उसी में था डब्बे में. एंड द मेन हाईलाइटेड पार्ट ऑफ दिस ट्रेजेडी वॉज कि हमने वो पार्सल 7 days बाद ओपन किया था, लाइक 7 of 12 days बाद ओपन किया था. एंड उसका जो रिटर्न वाला जो पॉलिसी था वो चला गया था. सो वी वर लाइक कि अभी एक्सचेंज वगैरह कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, बट माई सिस्टर हैड जस्ट गॉन थ्रू ऑल दी गाइडलाइंस एंड उसमें उनको कहीं से पता चल गया कि हाँ एक्सचेंज हो सकता है. एंड hopefully वो exchange हो गया packet. And so here's a tip for you guys that if you haven't opened your parcel for about like approx 2 weeks and there's a defect, like a huge defect in your parcel, in your product, you can return it that time too. And yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, that was all those products that I purchased from shopping apps, and now I'm going to share all those PR packages, the main PR packages that I've received here. So I'm going to start with this scrunchie that I'm wearing right now. So this is a white scrunchie. The fabric is satin and the elastic is not so tight, like it's very comfy when you wear it. So I received these 5 scrunchies from this page, Instagram page called as Zaid. I don't remember the full name of this Instagram store. This is something like Zaid Sapphire or something like that. So yeah, they have sent me these really cool, pretty, beautiful scrunchies, and they are 5 scrunchies. So the first one is white one. The next one is this something in nude, and the quality of these are really good. The next scrunchie, the third scrunchie, is this turquoise green in color. So yeah, this is one of my favorite colors, and yeah, this is how this one looks like. The next one is something really cool. This is a golden color scrunchie, and this is again a very big size scrunchie, and I really love it. And the next one, the last one, is my mom's favorite, and this is pinkish, like a pink, and I don't know, like it's pink or it's red. I'm always confused in this color. So this is my mom's favorite, and most probably I'm going to give this scrunchie to her because she loves the color. These are the scrunchies that I've received from this Instagram store, and yeah, thank you so much for sending these beautiful scrunchies. And I will drop their link below in the description box. So if you guys want to check out their page, you can absolutely check it out. And yeah, these are the scrunchies that I got. Moving on to the next PR parcel. I have already talked about this PR parcel in my last video. I don't remember which video was that. मैंने कुछ इसी बैकड्रॉप से रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियो था मेरा, उसी में मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात किया. So the product is from Mother's Purse, and I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what's the product. So they have sent me this cute pouch, which I'm gonna use a lot. And the first product inside this parcel, inside this first is this natural insect repellent deep freeze spray. This is what we use on a daily basis. Like me and my mother, we use this on a daily basis because अभी घर में कॉकरोच पता नहीं कहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाते हैं. सो बाहर कॉकरोच आ जाते हैं, मतलब 3-4 कॉकरोच रोज गैलरी में मिल जाते हैं हम लोग को. व्हाट वी डू इज हमेशा शाम के टाइम में वी जस्ट स्प्रे दिस ऑन दैट एरिया जहाँ से कॉकरोचेस आते हैं. सो वहाँ से कॉकरोच फिर नहीं आते हैं. सो दिस रियली हेल्प्स. So yeah, the next product I have is this Afterbite Turmeric Balm, and this is again an amazing product, and this is the product which we use again a lot. So yeah, this is how the product looks like, and yeah, this is an amazing product again. And moving on to the third product we have is this anti-insect fabric roll-on. So this is how this package looks like, and I'm gonna quickly show you how this fabric roll-on looks like. So this looks very cute and it's very handy, and you can travel with this. You can keep this in your pouch, and yeah, you are good to go. These were all the products that I have received from Mother's Purse, and now I'm going to quickly show you the products that I have received from Ray Naturals. And this is these two hair oils. So the first one I have is Ray Naturals castor oil. So this is a castor oil, and this is a coconut oil, and I'm currently using this one, and I have used quite a lot. So yeah, these are the two products from Ray Naturals. Moving on to the next parcel, and this is going to be the last PR parcel of this month, of this video, because I have not collaborated with most of the brands because of the going on situation. I don't want the workload at the moment. So this is the last brand that I have collaborated for this month, and they have sent me a full on skincare range, and मेरी पूरी basket भी भरी हुई है. So I'm gonna quickly show you what the products I have. The first product that I have is a face wash, and this is how the face wash looks like. So this is Rockside Khadi Herbal Face Wash with cucumber, lemon and tea tree oil. So yeah, this is how the bottle looks like. The color looks really cool. And moving on to the next product is one of my favorite products, and I actually love the packaging. So this is Rockside Khadi Sandalwood Herbal Face Pack, 100% natural. So this is a sandalwood face pack, and love uses sandalwood face packs. They have a very like cooling effect that I absolutely love. So this sandalwood face pack is like, I would definitely recommend you guys to try out the sandalwood face pack. This is an amazing face pack, and this comes in this plastic type what do you say, poly bag के अंदर. So this is the face pack. Moving on to the next product, I have this Rockside Khadi Herbal Cream Face Pack Scrub, and so this is in this variant rose, and I'm going to open this. I have not used this till now, but this smells really cool. Like, I absolutely love the smell. I have not smelled it before. Rockside Khadi के जो products है, I can say that ये सारे products एकदम पूरी full quantity में हैं. I would highly recommend you guys to check out their website. I will leave the link of the website of Rockside Khadi website below in the description box. So if you want, you guys can check it out. And next product is cream, and this is Rockside Khadi Herbal Face Cream Neem. So this is in the variant Neem. So yeah, the next products are the samples, and they are probably the gift from their side. So the first is this herbal face wash, sandalwood and honey. So yeah, this is how the face wash looks like, and this is the sample number 2, which is Neem Rita Herbal Shampoo with conditioner. Oh, इसमें conditioner भी है, so you don't have to use the conditioner अलग से. And I really want to try out this shampoo. Like, it's amazing. इसमें conditioner मिला हुआ, so you don't have to waste your time in shampoo then in conditioning. So shampoo कर लिया, and that's it. I'm gonna use this one very soon. Most probably when I'm going to have my next hair wash, I'm gonna use this. And yeah, अगर मुझे पसंद आया, so I'm gonna purchase the big bottle of this one. So and yeah, I think that's probably it for this video. I really hope you guys found this video interesting and just enjoyed watching this video. I've brought all the product links below in the description box, and the website links too. So yeah, that's it, and we'll meet you guys in my next video.